JDCap26 here. Just do tips and repairs and hobbies. How you guys doing today? I'm doing okay. Thanks for watching my videos, and I appreciate it very much. All you, my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my old subscribers. We got a pair of shoes here. These are the L&L Beam Storm version. Okay. As they come with this traction. Okay, it's pretty good traction for snow. Okay. But when you get those icy conditions, which you usually get with snow when it melts, you want to get this system right here. These are stabilizers, okay, and they have metal cleats molded into the rubber, and you put them on, you stretch them onto the boot, and make sure you get the right size for your shoe, okay? And these are very good on ice. They bite into the ice. Please read below the description of warnings to where you don't wear these, because you don't want to wear these on tile, marble, and hard surfaces where they don't bite into the surface at all, because you can go sliding very badly. I bought these because I wiped out in the driveway once with just a pair of these on, and I didn't get hurt, but boy, I was sore for a few days, let me tell you. So I highly recommend getting these stabilizers for your shoes, these cleats. Don't wear them driving at all, or driving a motorcycle. You want to take those off so you have more control with the foot pedal and the gears. And they're very, they're a little bit a bear to stretch on, but they do go on. There's two pieces here. Okay, I'll take one off and show you. Okay, so it goes on the front like that, on the toe, and then you take these two pieces, you take them with all your fingers like this, and put them over the back, and then straighten them out like that. Okay, and try to move them back on the heel of the shoe. You could put these on also on boots if you want. And I hope you pick up a pair. I'm going to put the link down in the description for Amazon. I'm sure you can find them on eBay as well. And they'll keep you safe from wiping out or hurting yourself this winter if you're in, a snowy condition in the United States or Canada. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you can. And we'll see you next time. Stay safe. Take care now.